गेट खोल जा, गेट खोले, चप्पल पीट गई।
All right, this is working now. Okay, so you will have you can add data. Okay, so this is my current operation. You go and give plus symbol, then you write an element here. Now, say go shopping. I go save it. It will automatically get added on the top. Now this will added in the top because we are given as a descending order, right? So in the fire store, if you see here, we have given the element as descending order 2. So it will get added like this. Okay, every element will be on top. If you give an ascending order 2, then everything will be in the ascending order. Okay, so this edit. So when I go and click edit, now what will happen? It will again run this application open node. Okay, it will run the application open notebook. So if you see here, the edit button, again we are calling for open notebook. So this time when you do that, it will pass argument, and this document will be passed. Okay, this particular document will be passed. Whatever we have. So the content is there. So if the content is there, then your alert message, this alert dialog box will have condition becomes false, will return as update. So when I go and click say ready for exam, now it is an update node. Okay, the title or the content you can give anything you want. So now it is simple. So change. That will get added. Now once that is done, now delete is to delete the post. So this click this icon, deletion will occur. Okay, deletion will occur. So this is your Firestore. Okay, database, cloud database can be used to perform, can be used to store the data in key value pairs. It's a NoSQL database. Okay, it's the doc collections. So this is pretty much your cloud Firestore. Okay, now there is a next new one, another one which is called as a real-time database. Okay, so apart from Firestore, you have one more NoSQL database, which is a real-time database. Now this real-time database is also NoSQL, but pretty much different than Firestore. Okay, it will store data in just key values. That's all. So not even collections. You don't even have collections or documents or not. You just store the data in key values. So that means it is storing data in the small data. Okay, or small you can say short data. Like for example, giving the real-time live locations. Okay, if you want to give real-time live locations, or if you want to post any live data, like for example chat boxes, all right, chats if you want to use, like in WhatsApp you're going to do perform chatting. In the chatting, the small data need to be updated, then you can go for a real-time database. Okay, so that is what is a real-time database, which can be used to send small data. Okay, short data. Okay, real live data. Like for example, by giving a live location of yours, okay, sending a data to a friend live locations, these can be done using a real-time database. Okay, real-time database. All right. So you go click real-time database. and like similarly we'll start your create database and you will do that. This I will do it in the coming next class. Okay. So with this we will stop, and I will send you all the programs which I have created. Okay. And with this we will end the class. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Alright. So you have also this thread, and you also have something called as a real-time database. Okay, real-time database will send short messages where you can store short messages, short data. Okay, or sending live data or something like that. You can use it. You can use a real-time database. Okay, so we'll see that in the coming next class. So in another next 2 days we'll complete the syllabus. Okay, and I will give you all the notes. You can have all those notes for your the study material. Okay, so this will stop. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Thank you.
guys. Wait. Guys, am I audible? Guys, am I audible? What happened? Everyone's sleeping. I'm getting only 2 yes from the peoples. Okay, so just a minute. Wait, Irana. Mr. Irana, what happened? Why you not attended the previous classes? Irana. Yeah, just now this guy messaged me. Attended? No? I didn't see your name in the list actually. Last class was like Saturday, Friday. Even Osama sir said the same. Friday you had some work, but Saturday you attended. Okay. Yeah, but Saturday also I didn't see your name down in the list actually. Okay. So, okay, no problem. Leave it. So, no problem. The next. Okay. Then I'll do one thing. Irana, I just want you to just revise the concept of skill injection. Can I do it now? Yeah, that Saturday I did that. So Irana, just do one thing. So come on, I just because let me just go for a 5 minute. So share your screen, and you have to just do a demonstration on this skill injection. Okay, and you have to go with the basic one. So how to bypass, and you have to show them the bypass in the OS juice shop. Come on, do. Share your screen. No, I'll teach you. Come on, just share your screen and do it. Right, let me give you permission. Share your screen and do it. Okay, for the because I just want to revise. Okay, because for other classes I revised it. Okay, now share your screen. start the container now. The OAuth juice shop. Open your terminal, start the OAuth juice shop. Go for it. Sudo docker. It will come now. Sudo docker. Run. No. Directly get the link. Directly get the URL from the website. Directly get the command from it. Open Google Chrome. Search for OAuth juice shop. Because that will be much more faster. Search for the GitHub page. OAuth juice shop GitHub. Third one. Run it as sudo permission, sudo and then the command. Now open it. Now open the browser. Start doing this transaction. Open our website also for reference. Unit 3. It is 17. So you're going to do the manual testing. Okay. So we'll be using the R121 bypass only mostly. Come on now come to the OAuth juice shop. Come to the login. Okay, now we have to log in now. First get, wait. First we need to get the email ID. So come to the previous page. Open any other images, any product, click on it and get the first one में तो admin मिलेगा ना. Get the email. Okay, now login, admin, the same thing, paste it, and then a single quotation. or 1 is equal to 1. The same method. There is a mistake. After or y there is a single quote. Additional. And remove the one in the end. In the right on the end, just remove the single quotation. Okay, now just give any of the different passwords. Log in, that's it. This is a mistake you made. Don't give a space down. Yeah. So now we got the access. So now you have to break the pass. So now we just bypass the login. Now what you have to do is come to the networks tab, like the application tab, developer tools. Come to developer tools, get the user token, get the email from it, like a password from it. No. Inspect. Open the inspect. Control Shift I. The inspect. Right click inspect. Now click on the arrow and then come to application. Click on the arrow, not there, top. नीचे मत आओ. Application में जाओ. Now check all the thing. Cookies. Open it. Just click on it. Not single click, double click. Yeah. See, the token is created. Click on, just copy the token value. Double click. Yeah. Now Control A, Control C. Search for jwt.io. Now. Search in Google. jwt.io. JWT. Paste the token here, get the hashed password value, and then identify the hash value, and then decode it. See, the password is a hash value now. Yes, copy that hash, and then come to your terminal, use hash identifier and join the repo to crack it. Open a new terminal. And for that, you can able to find the parcel tags in Unit 2, day 14. Okay, this I'm not going to help you. You have to break it. Come on. Okay, now you just identify the hash that is MD5. Now come for the next. Now save it in a text file and use John the Ripper to break it. Sorry, crack it. Hey, now use John the Ripper. See, use John the Ripper. For that command is in the website itself. Come to the same command. John format raw MD5 and then wordless and then the text file. Go for it. Change the format raw, it's raw MD5. It's now what you have entered is short 256 now. Change it to MD5. Now run it. Hello. Hey, no, that won't be the password. Hey, copy the hash which we got in the jwt.io. Just copy that hash. Okay, now come to the terminal. Create a new text file and save it and save this in it. The MD5 algorithm and then pass, yes. AW. Okay. Now run it. The password is admin123. Now log in as admin. Use the admin email ID and then this password. Go to the website. Log out from this account. So now log in. Password admin123. Admin123. Okay. So now what you have to do is do the same thing for a customer user. Like go for a vendor. Okay. You can be able to find it in one of the another product. Okay. Get his email and then bypass his login. Get the password hash and then crack it. Log out from this account. Okay. Log out. Now just here click on banana. Reviews. Yeah, this is the ID. So okay, now you have to do the same thing. Crack it. Get the hashed password and then crack it. And in this thing I will not help you. Actually, that password is already cracked. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to load it actually. There also a given command, I guess. Check in the website. No. In the John itself. They given the show option, increment single crack mode, incremental. So okay, come to the terminal, bro. Okay, I thought it was there actually. So I can use show John double hyphen show that banana text. John double hyphen not quotation. Show and the space the banana dot text. What? Okay, two left. No. I run the previous command, and then in that command add show option. Before banana, add show option. Or run it. No. It has to work actually. Or else in just a minute. Or else just do one thing, just go to CD. Then we'll go for the direct port file. CD dot John. Go for it. ls. Yeah, John port is there now. Cat John dot port. Yes, that's the file. Cat John dot pot. So the pass wait. For that hash also the answer is admin 123. Why? Okay. Hey, you made a mistake, Dam. That is just do one thing. Delete the entire this John port file. Delete this one. rm John dot port. rmm space John dot port. Okay. So now wait. Go to this banana.txt. See nano banana.txt. Where is the hash value? That is why it is not showing. Again, copy this, paste it. Save it. Control S, Control X. Okay, so now same command, Rajon, format, wordless, crack it again. Remove the show option. Yeah. Now run it. Okay, so now John, show banner.text. Now, John, double hyphen show, this banner.text. Yeah, why it is happening like that? No, 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 no. Maybe some logs are saving, I guess. Then do one thing now. Come to the web. Just search for the MD5 decoder. Third one. Paste it here. We didn't find this hash in our database. Okay. Then it's very simple now. So we have to change the password. Now do one thing. Yeah, but vendor password will be available now. Just a minute. Share my screen. Yeah, sudo docker run double hyphen rm it code 3000 code and 80, and this one is juice shop now. Just a minute. Okay, sorry, I just got a call. Okay, yeah. So now, come to the vast juice shop. Let me just get the name. Okay, I just want the name. Yeah, this one. Now it's done. Now let me just go. Right. Sorry, not vendor now. Okay, this is the token I'm having. jwt.io. Let me check in my system once time. Or else then we have to change the ID itself. Like we have to change the password directly. Echo. And save it as bandit.txt. And then John format draw md5 bandit.txt. Loaded one password. It is saying it's already loaded. John show bandit.txt. Just a minute. Guys, just wait for 2 minutes. I'll be back, okay? Sorry, now let me continue. Sorry, I got an important call. That's right. Okay. So guys, let me just continue. If for a vendor, actually, I think no, it is there actually. Wait, cd dot john. Password is password. No, not this one. Which hash we got? 0C. If the hash is not available, but why? Hey, this is the hash bar. Actually, this hash is not available in this list. Wait. Wait. RM-RF. All. Yes. Let me crack this again. No, then it is not in the list. Then I'll do one thing. Try to change the password directly. Now I'm in this account. So log out, log in, forgot password. Email is Bender at the okay. Guys, if that's the case, means then what we have to do is we have to change the password, and they're asking security question. Company you first work as an adult, work for as an adult. So first of all, guys, before that, we need to know who this Bender is. Okay, so without knowing the Bender, then we can't able to get the thing. Okay, so for that we can able to get help actually. Guys, just come to the scoreboard. Okay, so directly search for scoreboard. Okay, so here search for Bender, and if you see reset Bender's password and change Bender's password. Okay, so here they have the hint. The first hint is, if you have no idea who Bender is, put down this book right now and watch the first episode of Futurama. So guys, they are telling us to watch this first episode of this Futurama. Okay, this is an anime. Okay, so this is an anime. So the hint is in the first episode of this season, first episode. But what I'm gonna do is, let me just go with AI mode. Futurama. Who's Bender? So Bender is a foul-mouthed, alcohol-powered robot who serves as a main protagonist in Futurama. Okay, and characteristics and all the things. So guys, now let me just check for the company. Okay. First company Bender worked. Mom's Friendly Robot Company. Or else, yeah, okay, this is okay. Also, should be real world entity. Let us just go for the both of the things. Okay, let me just copy this one, and in the last two shop, after the forgot password page. This is Bender at the rate Jew shop. Security question. The answer is this. New password is Bender, just Bender. Okay, BNDR. So now, no, guys, that is not the answer. So then we have to go for the next one more thing we had now. So that is this Bender GMH code or something is there. Okay, let me just check. Then what is the answer? Wait. Okay, this is the one. I'll do one thing. Right click, copy, here, paste, password 1 2 3 4 1 2 5. No, that is not the password. What about mom's friendly? No. That is not the password. Mhm. Mom's friendly robot. Stuff robot go with already made mistake in the email actually. Vendor@juice shop only juice-shop. Let's search in this way. What are the companies? Wait. If this is first employer, this is his main employer, okay? Then we'll go with this one, Planet Express. Planet Express. Password I'm going to set is admin, no, not admin, 128, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Change. No, even not. Yeah, then what is the answer? Planet Express is not there, and secondary jobs, all the things are there. What is it? I'll do one thing. Again and again. Why? Let me just wait. Let me just check in the logs actually. There's an actual answer is Planet Express only. Just a second. Alternative spelling. Okay, then what if all the things are small? Wait. Planet space EXPRESS. Hey, what is this? Wait. Let me wait a second. Bender at some dot. Okay, then email is correct only. Bender at the rate. Just shop only. Security question. Guys, actually, this is the answer. Or does that this Planet Express is there, right? This is the answer. But I don't know why it is not working. Or else it. See, copy. Let me check whether that is the thing to send it to the network. Security question. Paste. New password. Nothing. Change. Just a minute, we'll see. The answer is that only, but I don't know why it is not giving us the thing. Payload, see. Answer Planet Express only. Wrong answer. Then maybe this is issue with my backend server. Or else wait. Just shop. Let me directly go to the main website. Let us check there. Reload. Irena, for you whether it's working. Irena, this is the password actually. Let me check. Okay. This Planet Express is the password for it. Why it's not working? That's the case, then I need to change it. I need to rerun this thing again. Hey guys, actually see there actually solved 3-star login vendor challenge and cheat score for tutorial login vendor solved in 1 minute. Hey, within 1 minute itself we solved it. Then why it is not working? Guys, actually the password has been changed. See, we have solved actually. Then maybe the issue is this with the server, I guess. Just check in your system. Just share your screen. Check whether it is working in your system. Share your screen down. Come on. We'll check in your system. Yeah. No, login. Forgot password. Now type the email. Bender@. Yeah, click on that. Remove the rest of the things. Okay, now come to the second question is Planet Express. Just copy paste the thing which I shared.
Okay.
No, that is the right answer actually. No. I tried that also. A type MOMCORP, MOMCORP, M capital, M capital, MOMC capital, ORP, C capital, ORP. Now then close this down. See, last class I did with the thing, Planet Express, it was worked. And in mom's company also it will work. Then that means some other error is there. Oh. You don't, no. We'll bypass the, just a minute. I'll give you one more code, just use that, check whether that is working or not. Try this. Copy paste this one. Try this one. Oof. Guys, there is one company that is called as Stop and Drop. That is the company he was working. Hey, for this they made me to watch the animator. Shit. uh, okay, leave it. Yeah, but actually, it's not that much of good. Actually, it's okay. The anime you can watch. It's okay now. Now let me share my screen. So guys, we'll go for the next one. I don't want to start. I don't want to continue this thing because we already finished all the things. So now let me just go for the next one. Okay. So guys, actually today we're going to see these topics now. The first one is CSRF attacks. What is CSRF? IDOR bugs, broken access control, OWASP protected. Okay, this is the thing we are going to discuss now. So first of all, what does this CSRF means? Cross-site request forgery. For an example, imagine guys, I'm loading a website. Like for example, I'm just going for Bank of India. So I'm just searching for bankofindia.in and I'm going for network banking. Okay. So wait, it's a bit slow. Pause. Our website has been moved. English. Okay. So corporate login, global log. Yeah. So guys, this is the Bank of India login page. For an example, imagine I have logged into this account. I have logged into my account. So for example, wait. Oh, they're going company like this, directly country wise. Yeah, this guy is blocking it. Is it because they're connected to which VPN network? Okay, I just want to tell the explanation. Okay, I'm not doing any demonstration. So guys, imagine you have logged in. Okay, so imagine in this particular tab, Bank of India has been logged in. Okay, so wait, let me just close this thing. Okay, so now I connected to this net banking. So now what I'm doing means I'm getting URL from a hacker. Because imagine I have logged into my bank account and it's still not closed. Okay, the session still not closed. So what I'm doing is I'm trying. Hacker is sending me a link, or he's just using a proxy and making me to click a virus link. So for an example, that is like evil.com. So guys, imagine that is like evil.com. So that is the website this hacker is telling me to log in. So once I click this evil.com, so what will happen in the sense, this evil.com will directly send a request, a hidden get request and post request to the bank. Guys, actually, this is automatically will do. We won't do anything. Once we just loaded this website will send a request directly. It will get our cookies, it will get our various tokens and session IDs, and then based on it, it will send a request directly to the bank. What bank will think means, bank will think, okay, this user now only he logged in, he is sending a request. Okay, the session ID is there, so we'll make him log. We'll just give a login access to him, or login and then the request what he is sending. So like the guys, this evil.com will send a request and bank will accept it and our data or money will be directly sent to the hacker. So this website is hacker's website. Okay, like that guys, this is what will happen in real time. Now let me just show you how it will done. So guys, for an example, imagine now a person is there. So this is a person, okay, and he is trying to go to his bank website. So let me, yeah, this is enough. So this is, for example, this imagine like GC Bank. Okay, so what he is doing, he is sending a login request to the bank. Login request to the bank. Then bank, what it will do, it will send the request to the database. Okay. Guys, imagine this is bank database. Okay, so GEC bank will send a request to the bank database, check whether user is there or not. Okay, if the user is there, then what bank will do? Bank will say yes, and this is his cookies. Okay, some cookie ID will be also be sent. Okay, and then what bank will do is bank will give a response. Bank will give a response to you, that is cookies, and then cookies. Okay, so guys, now this is how a proper connection will work. You all know this, right? So now what happened is in your system, you are logged in and you got the cookie, and cookie is saved in your system, in your application memory. Here, what one thing is happening is there is a guy, hacker is coming. So let me just do one thing. So this is evil.com. For example, gcevil.com. Okay, so what is happening is this one hacker will be there. This is hack guys. So this is hacker, and this is user. Okay, so now what will happen? Hacker will send a create a website. Hacker will host a website, that is the gcevil.com. Okay. Okay, this is the hosted. So hacker will send you malicious links. Okay, he will try to make you click the link. He will try as many as possible to get you connected. So if you are connected, once you click the link, then at that point, what will happen? User from your device will make a connection to the this malicious, okay, a connection request. It will directly access all your details. Guys, imagine once you all your cookies and session ID and everything. Once that is there, then what will happen? So GEC, so this website will use a like I am this person, give on to this account. But okay. Irana, is it clear now? Is my voice is clear now? Yes. Okay. So, guys, this is what will happen. Once the user is connected to the gcevil.com, gcevil will get all the cookies of your device. Okay, the bank cookie session IDs, and then it will send a request to bank with your cookies. So, I am this person. So, like the request will be like this, pump. So, the request, the post request, what it will send is https double forward slash gcbank dot in forward slash user, and in that one auth is equal to the token, okay, the authentication token, followed by send money around this number, and then afterwards a question afterwards, and then and send to this account number, wait, send to this account number in IFSC. Like this things will be, because most of the banks still uses the same thing of request. So guys, so now see how most, this is how most of the got hacked, and they will lose all their money. Not only for money. For example, you people would have noticed, like YouTube is hacked. Within just I just clicked the link, and within fraction of second my YouTube got hacked, and then even I can't able to log into my account also. You would have seen this things like this. So imagine the same concept. The URL will be like this only. So the same https double forward slash accounts dot youtube.com slash user, and then auth token or cookies, and then what will happen, change mail change mail option will be there, and then new email, new at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so this is how those people will be changing. So once for your particular channel, if your username has been changed, then no matter what, you cannot able to recover, because once it is changed, what is the use? Is it possible for us to recover? No. If they change the password, we can recover. If they change the email, then we have to appeal. Then we have to tell YouTube that you have to send a lot of mails to YouTube, and then they will respond. But it will take a lot of time. In the meantime, the hacker will loot all the things. Like he will be running some other ads, all the things, and money. Okay, even he can able to change the account details also. For example, guys, if any people are using YouTube properly, like for business as a vlogger or as a blogger or anything, okay, you would have known about the amount details, okay. So this people will change it, okay. That is why don't try to use any malicious website. Don't try to even open the malicious URLs. Okay, like when you're downloading some movies, okay, when you're trying to download some modern applications, cracked applications, all these things will happen. Okay, this will just do all these things. This is the very important concept. Okay, this is how all the banks, even you know what, now all the banks are aware of the CSRF, and they made a pre-measures for it. But previously, like even a few years back, like one of the top level bank, actually, it's a bank which is in US actually, even they had the CSRF, and lot of money has been looted from them, from the customers. And even GitHub had this, even previously YouTube also had this. Okay, previously YouTube had this, but now they changed it. Okay, but now people, but also still the issue is there, and even a lot of websites, lot of other parties, everyone is having these bugs. Okay, so with this, because they can now they have a function called CSRF limiter and CSRF security layer, so that will prevent this issue. Okay, so this is how everything will be get hacked and things. Okay, let me just share you a photo. Let me just share this. It will be easy for it to go with. Guys, let me just put that in the chat. Okay, so try to use that one. Okay, for reference. And don't worry, I'll add this all these things in the website later. Okay, so this is how the CSIF attack will happen. Okay, cross-site request forgery. And mostly this will happen on the websites which are making lot of transactions because it is easy to impersonate them. That's why. That's why mostly everyone will go for the banking sectors and some other companies which gives a very like for money based website like YouTube or any other websites or blogs or Medium, okay, or GitHub. Okay, all these things will be getting hacked. Even as I told you 2 3 years back, even GitHub has had this issue. Okay, so next is IDOR bug. So guys, this IDOR bug is the most common bug everyone has. So the people who are still using MySQL, then 100% they will be having this IDOR bug. Not like 90 or 99. 100% they will be having this IDOR bug. Guys, you all know how a data is saving in a database. First, it will be having ID as a primary key. That primary key will not be changed no matter what. Okay. So if any new user is coming, they will be having a different idea, and all these things will follow in a sequence, like from 1 2 3 like that wise. Mostly all your user ID, everything will be in a sequence. That is how it will save in the table, right? So what we can do is, for an example, guys, I think I told you about a thing which I had previously. Guys, few years back, I had Airtel actually. I didn't had, but I got to find out a bug, IDOR bug. Okay, so actually, what happened is I just wanted to get my call records. So while getting the call records, the endpoint it is going to as like my phone number dot PDF in the final one. So what I did is I just sent a request with my auth tokens and I sent it okay for a different number, and I got their call details, call records when I'm using it in the website. So I just thought it was some glitch, but it was an actual bug. After I found this one, I reported them. But what they said is we already got to know this issue. We are currently working on it. Thank you for your assistance. Okay, they just sent a thank you mail. That's it. But see, even Airtel is also having this IDOR bugs because I not IDOR bugs. It is like broken access control because this person can able to access only this particular document means that is a perfect access control, but a person is logged in and they can able to access anything for like even other users database also means that is the broken access control. Okay, that is the next thing you're going to see. Access control. For an example, I will be logging as a normal user and I can able to change myself as an admin user by using the JWT. Guys, for this is the most one of the common vulnerabilities that everyone is having. For an example, guys, when you're developing a website, you have to set this thing. That is, in your ENV, you'll be setting the JWT tokens and all the things. For an example, just see this one. This is the JWT. Okay, guys, this is common for all the websites. Whenever you're building a website, you have to set this in your env file, right? So here my JWT key here is my JWT secret for AJ Academy project. Actually, I just made it as an example. Morning only I changed all the things. So what will happen, for an example, if a person is logged into this AJ and they have this token, if they have the secret key, they can able to change their self as an admin without any issues. Because of the tokens, automatically it will just show that okay, this guy is our admin user. How we can able to change that means I just showed you about the JWT.io. So guys, see this one. Where is that guy? Yeah. So guys, if you see that this is the token, this is the JWT token which will be having. But if you see here, the key is wrong because we need to set the JWT key. Like the thing, like for example, this is or some other data is like that. Okay. So we have to make sure the key is the correct key. If the key is correct, then what we can do is we can simply change the role customer to admin. And what will happen? This entire key will be changed. Once this is completely changed, I will copy this. Then I'll go to my networks tab. Okay, in the networks tab, what I will do is application, and I will paste it. Just a minute. Yeah. So guys, in this one, so what I will do is here I will be adding, like for example, token. Okay, and in that token, I'll paste the value, like the value which I got here. Like after changing, I'm telling, okay. After changing it, I'll just paste it here. Once it is done, if you're simply, for example, I'm just simply now relogin. Okay, I close the server. Yeah. Okay, sorry guys, I just closed the server I just closed the server. But what will happen once you're loading it, it will get the cookie value from the date this file. Now it will decode it, and then if the value is the user email ID and password and role and JWT is correct, then we can able to get the admin login or anyone's login. This is common for all the things. This is the common for all the websites. Everyone uses the same cookie, and by using this cookie, we can do anything. Okay. So now so guys, that is the broken access control and IDOR vulnerability. So how to bypass this? Not bypass, say how to save from this IDOR. For example, you're making a website or anything, means how to save yourself in the sense, what you have to do is you have to make sure your data is not like this. You have to use MongoDB or NoSQL. When you're using NoSQL, we can able to protect these things. For an example, guys, by default, MongoDB will save all the IDs as random numbers. Guys, for an example, let me show you my MongoDB, my older database. Okay, I'm not going to show you my real database, but this is my older database. For example, let me just go to this one. Okay, here we'll be doing all the testing works. Okay, whatever the testing we are doing, we'll be making it here. So for an example, I'm just going for the Scholar Peak and yeah, users. Okay, this is my old database. So if you see here, guys, for all the users, it is having a thing like this, object and ID. So if I want to fetch the user details, then I will be using this ID for it. So since this ID is a randomly generated, we cannot able to crack it. Guys, again listen. Since this ID is a randomized ID, the IDOR bug will not happen. But broken access control we can do, but IDOR bug we cannot able to do. IDOR means by changing this ID, we can able to get the other user's data. Guys, for an example, in this case, if you see here in this token, it is displaying the ID as 3. What I can do is I can use pubsert, or I will be using postman, and I will change the ID to number 4 or number 5 or number 6. So by changing it like that, then what I can do is I can simply get the other user's password, other user's data, other user's all the details. Guys, that is possible. By just changing this ID, we can get those details easily without an issue. So that is what this IDOR bug means. Okay. So this is how it will send the request path. A get request to API, user, profile, and my profile is 1 2 3 4, and other user profile is 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 6, 1 2 3 7. So like that wise it will go on. And for that we won't do manually. We'll create a program for it, like a Python program. We'll send, as we already know like how we will do in the sense. For an example, new.py. So in this thing, what I will do is simply for an IDOR bug, okay, for IDOR bug identify. So import request, okay. So def URL exist, yeah. So this is the thing. So here for IN range of 10,000. So here what I will do is I'll go with this one. Okay. So that is the https gec.edu.in/api/user/profile or simply profile and then I. And this function I'll make it in the top. Okay. And if URL is exist, then just print URL and then save it in a file also with open existing URL as a text file and then file.write, else print URL does not exist. So this is the thing, Pam. This is how a request will send, and if the response code is 200, then the login is there. And for example, here let me just go with accept request, no, accept. Here I'll add a condition. Okay, in this thing, if true. If true means by default, if it is true, by default it will go now. If try is there means automatically will come. Okay, else what I will do is return dot response code is not equal to, sorry, that is not equal to 200. Like that wise I'll do. Okay. So currently I don't want to go with that. Let me just stop here, save it, and now if 100 means what will happen? It will start working on these things. Okay, one by one it will start work. So URL does not exist. 2 also does not exist. 3 also does not exist. Okay, and you can use multi-processing and threading to find more. Okay, and for example, if I just make, I can able to faster this request also. Guys, currently it is a bit slow because we are checking every URL one. But what we can do is we can simply use multi-processing and asynchronous and then http.io, so that what we can do is we can able to send 100 requests or 200 requests or 300 requests per second. That much of speed we can able to give. Okay, all these things will be possible. Okay. So guys, actually if you see in this penetration testing, all the things which we have learned, everything is same only. Okay, all the methodologies are using, only thing is you're using a different tool, but it is using the same methodology. If you see parser tags also use the same thing, or website directory busting also using the same thing, or website URL finding is also using the same thing, or any other thing. For everything we'll be using only this thing. Okay. So now broken access control, like simply what I will do is in the admin, in the JSON, in the JWT token, we'll be changing the user role to admin, from customer or student to admin. Like that wise, by default what we can do is we can easily get the admin access. Okay, later I'll show it to you because currently I just checked the website, but that is not working because I need to modify all the things. Okay, so later I'll show it to you. And we have this OWASP top 10. Okay, so guys, I told you this OWASP is a cyber security company, and they will be giving us a list every 5 years once. So this year also one more list will come. So this is 2021 list. So what are the top 10 hacking methods has done, and most of the people lost money and all the things. Okay, first one is broken access control. Because of this tokens, because the people, most of the people are at the time of 2021, everyone anyone will be developing a website without a JWT token. Because at the time, no one knows about what JWT mostly. So since they don't know about the JWT token, most of the people got admin access even though they are normal user. Okay, that is the one top one broken access control. The second one is cryptographic failures. While they mistakenly did any other encryption algorithms or anything. And then third one is SQL injection. Guys, I told you last week also, this SQL injection is the most common hacking method for a website, and by default it will be in top 3 of the OWASP. Either it will be in top 1 or top 3. Within top 3 itself only it will be. Okay. Next is insecure design. For an example, if you're creating a proper website by using React.js, then it is easily hackable. Next year, it is a bit secure. Okay. Vue.js is also a bit secure, but React is not safe. So like even the framework also, which framework you're using, which dependency you're using, which particular version of dependency you're using, everything will handle that. Okay, for example, I'm having previously, if you know that this Axios is there, right? Mostly web developers would have known what is Axios. So guys, there is a group of hackers who got the OAuth account of the developer of the Axios, and they got into his GitHub account, and then what they did is they simply created a new request, okay, new commit request. What happened is the people who are using that particular version, all the data will be sent to those hackers. Complete details. It's like a virus. Okay, later only this guy just find out and they stopped it. Okay. Now currently they made a new version of it. You can able to check the details. Actually, that was happened just 1 or 2 months ago. Okay. That is this and that is that one. And security misconfigurations, vulnerable components, identification and authentication failures, software and data integrity failures, security logging in and monitoring failures, and then SSRF. Guys, just now I told you about CSRF. Okay, but we have one more topic, that is SSRF, because currently I told you every companies are aware of the CSRF issue, so they made sure no one can able to access it. SSRF instead of CSRF. Okay. So now, I don't. Yeah, we'll check the latest version. Okay, wait. Was top 10 2025. Yeah. Guys, in 2025, see still broken access control and now covering for SSRF. Now SSRF in the top, the broken access control, and then security misconfiguration, and then software supply chain features, cryptographic failures, and then SQL injection, and then insecure design, authentication failure, software or data integrity failure, security logging in or alerting failures, and then mishandling of exceptional condition. Wait. So see the differences, okay? This is the current and this is the previous one. So still the broken access control is in the top. And security misconfiguration, which was in the 5th place, now got into the 2nd place. And software supply chain features, that is the new one. Okay, that is based on CI/CD pipelines. Okay. Third-party dependencies. Time now it is in 5th actually. Wow. And cryptographic failures from 2nd to 4th place. Oh, a lot of new updates, pa. Okay. And next, we will get by the year of 2028 or 2029. Yeah, then we'll get to know a lot actually. This is the current list. This is the previous list, and I'll just wait for the future list also. Okay, so guys, anyone is having any queries or anything? Queries or doubts? Any queries? No one is having any query. Okay, so if no one is having any queries, we'll just wind up the session. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, so we'll wind up the session. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. You can leave.
बाकी এটা কাটে আনি দিবি সামনে জলদি
যদি আমি লেব না বলা কাটা
দেখ না
ସେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ୍ କରୁଛି କାହାର ବି ଫଣ୍ଡ ଆସୁନାହିଁ ସେ ବେକାରେ ପଢ଼ଉଛି କହି ହେଉଛି କାହାର